Hello, grade 2 students. I hope you're fine and stay safe, please. Today we have a very nice lesson in our ESS booklet, which is landforms. Landforms. In this lesson, we're going to study about different kinds of landforms, areas of land, areas of water, and their different definitions. Number one, we're going to start with an island. Number one, an island. An island is a small piece of land with water all around it. An island is a small piece of land with water all around it. If you look here at the picture, you will see that it's a small piece of land, okay, and the water all around it, okay? A small piece of land with water all around it. It is an island. Number two, plain. A plain. This is a plain. A plain is a flat, open land. The word flat means has no heights. It's flat, like when you walk on the floor in the school or in your home. It's a flat, open land. Here, flat, open land. Number three, lake. If you look at the picture here, okay, you will see it's a small body of water with land all around it. Small, small body of water with land all around it. Here is small body of water with land all around it. Small body of water with land all around it. So it's called a lake. Number four, an ocean. An ocean. The ocean is a very large body of salty water. A very large body of salty water means it's a very, very big body of salty water, okay? You can see here lots different kinds of fish, okay? Octopus, different kinds of, shrimps and others. They live in the ocean. So an ocean is a very large body of salty water. Sea. A sea is a body of salty water, just a body. Of course, the sea is smaller than an ocean, okay? They are both salty water, but the sea is smaller than an ocean, and of course, the ocean is larger than a sea. So the sea is a body of salty water. Mountain. Mountain. What is a mountain? It's a very high land. So a mountain is a very high land. Very high land. Even here someone is climbing. Climb means going up into the mountain because it's a very high land. Here it is, very high. Mountain, very high land. Plateau. A plateau. A plateau is a high land with a flat top. It's not like a mountain. It doesn't have a peak. A peak means the upper part of the mountain. But the plateau is a high land with a flat top. So again, plateau, here it is a high land with a flat top. Here it has a flat top. Plateau is a high land with a flat top. Valley. A valley is a lowland here between two hills or two mountains. So a valley is a low land between two hills or two mountains. Here it is. It's a valley. Here, it's a valley. Okay? Lowland between two hills or two mountains. Hill is a small mountain. Canyon. A canyon is some kind of valley, but it's different. It's deep valley cut by a river. Here, it's a deep valley, not just a valley, it's a deep under, okay, down, deep valley cut by a river. Here you can see the water of the river. Here it is. Okay, so it's a deep valley cut by a river. Here. And here is a canyon, deep valley cut by a river. There should be a river in a canyon. Oasis, an oasis. If you look at the picture, you will understand the meaning. It is a green area in the desert. A green area in the desert, okay? So it has water, as you can see, trees, maybe palm trees, okay? But it's inside the desert. These yellow, the yellow sand, okay, is the desert. So inside here we have an oasis. So the oasis is a green area in the desert. Green area in the desert. Forest, and we can call it woods. Forest, an area of land covered with trees. An area of land covered with trees. Okay, here we can see lots and lots, non-ending number of trees. An area of land covered with trees. Forest. Waterfall. Waterfall. As you can see here, is a place in a river, okay, where water spills suddenly down. Water goes suddenly down. Look here at this picture, and here, and of course here, okay? So it's a place in a river. A waterfall is near a river where water goes down very fast, suddenly down, as you can see here. Waterfall, place in a river where water spills suddenly down. A volcano. Volcano. It's a mountain. You can see here, it's a mountain. Here, mountain. Here, mountain, mountain, and a mountain. It's a mountain that opens down to a pool. It means that it has an opening, yes, and it opens deep inside the mountain down to a pool. A pool means a small lake, but it doesn't contain water as we think. No, it contains, oh God, molten rock under the surface of Earth. See these orange and yellow colors? They are called molten rocks. They come from under the surface of Earth. So whenever it comes out, it gets this shape. Okay, here it says, I lava you. The word lava, okay, means these yellow materials coming out of the volcano. So a volcano is a mountain, okay, opens down to a pool. It opens from inside down to a pool. A pool is full of not water, full of molten rock under the surface of Earth, deep inside, under the surface of Earth. River. A river is a flowing, moving stream of water, moving water, okay? But you have to know that a river is a body of fresh water, but the sea and ocean are bodies of salty water, okay? So the river, like River Nile in Egypt, we used to drink from the water of the River Nile, right? So a river is a flowing, moving, it keeps moving all the time, stream, okay, of water, continuously, non-stop moving water, it means a river. Glacier. Glacier. It's a large area of thick ice. Look here at the penguin. It is standing on a glacier, a large area of thick ice. And look at the little lady here. She's sitting on a glacier, okay? A large area of ice, thick, large ice. And by the way, these animals are the animals that live into North Pole and South Pole. I think you have studied them in the first term, okay? Like the penguin, like the some kind of foxes, okay? Like the polar bear, of course, it's very famous. We know it all. So glacier is a large area of thick ice. Desert. Desert is any large area, gets very little rain each year. Okay, large area. Can you see the yellow color, yellow and orange colors? Here, okay, it's local color, by the way, for the deserts in any map, the yellow one. Any large area gets very little rain each year, very little amount of rain each year. So it's very, very, very dry. So desert is any large area, gets very little rain each year. And of course, it has very hot, burning sun. Pond. A pond is a body of water smaller than a lake. A body of water smaller than a lake. Okay, look at that. Nice frog. He lives in ponds. Okay, here you can see some kind of flowers, little fish and frog, maybe a little duckling with their mother, the duck, and they are singing some songs. So a pond is a body of water smaller than a lake. Body of water smaller than a lake. Sand dunes. Sand dunes is a hill of sand made up by the wind. A hill, and the word hill means small mountain, okay? But it's not made of rocks, no. It's made of sand. So sand dunes are hill of sand or hill of sand made up by the wind. The wind moves sand from here to here. So it makes the sand dunes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, you can see, here it's large sand dune, different kinds of them. Cave. Cave. It's an opening in the mountain. It is an opening in the mountain. An opening, okay? Here, like this in this picture, it's very clear. It's an opening into the mountains, so it's a cave. Here, those children maybe fell down or they were lost, okay, into the cave, and they're trying to check a map, by the way, okay. Here, other students are trying to get inside the map, the cave, and here the children are moving inside the cave. So cave, yeah, is an opening in a mountain. Opening in a mountain. Cave. So that was all for today. Thank you very much for following us. Please answer your worksheet of Landforms into your booklets. Yes, as booklets, and inshallah answers will be uploaded or model answer will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Goodbye.